How to create stop motion videos on Capcut. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Capcut application. Now tap on New Project. Now select your video file and tap on Add. Now select the clip. Now go to Style. Now scroll all the way to the right and select Auto Velocity. Now tap on Adjust to adjust the interval. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.